Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix your product images Shopify. So in this case, if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you have like blurry images on your Shopify store here on your products, there are going to be a few things that you might want to change or update here for your website or your Shopify store here. So first is you need to optimize your Shopify store here. So if you're not aware yet, there are going to be a few things you need to take in consideration whenever you add images into your Shopify store. So you might be asking, why do I have to consider your images here? Well, the thing with Shopify stores here, it works like any other website out there. And if you put too high quality of an image, like for example, if like this is just an example, like if you have like 5,000 pixels by 5,000 pixels image here on Shopify, or if you have like a big or too big file size on Shopify here, then it will slow down your website, which in turn would actually take more time to load up your images, especially for your products. So in this case, in order for you to optimize this one, you need to understand that there are going to be certain images or certain image sizes that you want to, in this case, consider whenever you add it on your products. So just an example, we have this specific image here for this. This is just this product that I just added here. So this is just for reference. These are different sizes that you might want to basically try using. So this is directly from Google Ads optimal sizing guidelines here. So in this case, in this case, a kind of square format. So in this case, you could use 250 by 250 pixels, but in some cases that might be too small for usage. So this is just for mobile devices. You could use this pixel, but if you're switching over to like ads, in this case, in your computer images, using pictures for your computer, you could choose like 300 by 250 pixels, but this is just for ads. Now, specifically, if you want to use something for your products, you might want to go in the range for this one. So, in this case, for example, for this one, like if you have like a blog image. So this is just an example, but usually this is what you usually are going to aim for whenever you're creating or adding photos into your Shopify store. So this is just an example. So you have like 1,200 by 800 pixels for blog images for desktop image dimensions, which in this case, that is the optimal size that you should get for your image. So by the way, you could go and click on your image here. Usually at the right side here, you'll have the dimensions for it. So you have like 364 by 432 on my end, which is quite good. So this is acceptable for an image here in my case. But yeah, so this is quite average, so it will load a lot faster on my Shopify store. Now, just to give you some understanding here, I'm going to open up my Shopify store here. And as you can see, it starts to load up here, and that's how people access your website here. So it will take some time to load a few assets here, especially if you have like big files or too high quality photos in your Shopify store. Especially like, for example, if you have a lot of products already in your store, and if you have like too high quality photos added to your products, it will take some time to load up those photos, which in this case, they will load up blurry first and then clear up. So I would suggest you to first make sure to optimize all your images so that they load faster, and in turn will give high quality images you could see here on your Shopify store. Now, another thing that you might want to consider here, like for example, you don't know how to optimize your image, you can actually compress your images, like for example, JPEG compress and here. So you could actually compress your JPEG images here to make it a lot smaller. So especially the file size, if it's too big, you could go and compress them and re-upload them into your website. So you could choose whatever a website or tool you could use here. But yeah, so in this case, another thing that you might want to do here is you might want to uninstall other apps. So apps actually affect the speed of your website. So reducing the amount of apps you have here can actually help you a lot. But in this case, that's it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.